Yeah. So please join. It is not a very, we have seen so many performances there with the weapons, but we are not going to do that now. It will take time, so we'll go forward it, because we are having some other programs, so we will do it. So others just join. It is a very good. It would be a definitely in the night, in the dark. Why we are doing it is a very important thing in your life. Just a few minutes, like 20-30 minutes. We are just asking for your 20-30 minutes, which is investing on your life. Please come. Please come this side. You can slightly practice. It's simple movements, not much big. Comfortably we can try. You will also experience the breathing and things. So please come comfortably. If you are not able to do, then just leave from there. No problem. Just you can try. Everyone. Superb. Very good. Team. Ready?
So you can use your back, keep it on the side.
Everyone ready? Louder. Little more. Yes. Super. Now sounds good. Okay. So welcome to Agasthyam family. We are just trying to start something new in your life. Maybe you won't be done this earlier. So like already Gurukul explained what we demonstrated. We just showed a little bit. So that is a tradition, a culture, and of India. So you can also take the things whatever you need. You will be take away. Take home. What are you taking from here? Like you have been invested, not the spending. You have been invested. You are 2 hours here, so there will be something you can take home. That is what we are going to get it now. Only you are taking your performances, right? It's a mesmerizing performance, right? Louder. Okay, so we have the heroes and warriors are here. They'll be just demonstrating what are the things we have to do. This is a culture, tradition, what we are following. And so there are some steps we follow. It's called Toludu Kairal. Toludu Kairal means, we are whenever we enter the gallery, we'll be doing this some little moments. That also having Kadripattu, like, martial art. That is there, but we'll understand what is there. So first of all, just closely watch them, what they're doing. Then we'll do it. Okay. Samanila. Toludu Pidicha. No need to do, just watch, just observe. Nivarti, Valangai Edoninjil Edangai Boragil, Valangal Munotu Vacha, Valangai Nivarti, Nilam Dottu Nerigail Vacha, ഒരു പുഷ്പമെടുക്കുന്നതായിട്ട് സങ്കല്പിച്ച് ആധാരം തൊട്ട് മേലേക്ക് അർപ്പിച്ച് തൊഴുതു പറഞ്ഞ് ഇടംകാൽ വലം കാലിനോട് ചേർന്ന് ശിരസ് നിവർത്തി കൈകൾ താഴ്ത്തി. This is what Toludu Kairal. Isn't it easy? Yes. So we'll slightly do. Okay, we'll slightly do. I'll tell the Vaitai. It is called Vaitai. The instructions what we are giving in Malayalam. Okay, in our mother tongue. So it's in it is a Vaitai we'll be saying so. So but comfortably you can do. Need in English. I can talk in half English, half Malayalam like. Okay.
So you want to watch once more, or you do? They'll do. Okay.
They will do. Definitely they will do. Ready?
Okay. Right.
Samanila. Samanila means close your heels. Feet must be open. Keep your hands both the sides. Body straight. Head straight. This is a very good, balanced, confident posture. Because whenever you stand in front of someone, if you stand like this, bending your body, what will happen? They will feel that you are very weak person, isn't it? Whoever it's women or men or whoever it is. It will be a weak person who is showing there and like bending like this. But here what we are doing is we are making our body stretch. The importance of this, when you breathe, the thoracic area will be open, so you can take more breath. Like Gurukul already told you that breathing, very important. So in between, meanwhile, Gurukul will explain the importance of breathing also. Okay. Toludu Pidicha, which means fold your hands. At the same time, lock your chin. Very good. Now head straight. Right hand on the left chest, left hand on back. Super, good. Right leg forward. Keep your right leg forward. So this time what will happen, some of you will be, your heels will be up. Never up your heels. It should be on the floor and keep your back leg feet should be in a diagonal shape. You have to be balanced body posture. Good. Now raise the right hand. Touch the ground. Touch your forehead for 3 times. Look should be straight. Yeah, superb. 4th time, just assume that you are taking a flower from the floor, taking through the body and dropping in front of the head. Super. Now fold your hands. Attach your left leg with the right leg.
Fold your hands and
Attach your left leg with the right leg. Come forward. Yes. Now head straight. Keep your hands both the sides. Super. Relax. One step back. Why we are coming forward? Because we are entering the gallery. Because what is the logic of this? I'll just quickly I'll say that whenever you do something, Guru always says that you have to be focused, right? Otherwise, definitely I'll get the hits. Even though with the continuous practice we are getting the hits. So you have to think that when my mind is not there, what will happen? So that is the logic. We are dedicating our body and mind along this. So even the 5 years kids also, even 80 years of people. So we are having from 5 years to 80 years. All the people whenever they come to Kalari, even they do online, they will be doing this. To dedicate your body and mind. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now we'll do once again. Ready? Samadhi now. Heels closed, feet open, keep your hands both the side, body straight, confident. Yeah. Fold your hands. The chin must be locked. Now head straight. Right hand on the left chest, left hand on back. Right leg forward. Back leg on the floor, back leg on the floor. Raise the right hand. Touch the ground. Touch your forehead for 3 times. Right hand. 4th time, just assume that you are taking a flower from the floor, taking through the body. Dropping down the head. Now fold your hands with both the hands. Fold your hands. Now attach your left leg with the right leg. Come forward. Now head straight. Keep your hands both the sides. Okay, super. One step back. Okay, good. You can also clap for your achievement, no?
We'll do one more.
Yeah. Samadila. Kick. In Malayalam, I think you can. Valam gai vannotu vacha. Valam gai nivarti nilam dottu narigayil vacha. ഒരു പുഷ്പം എടുക്കുന്നതായിട്ട് സങ്കല്പിച്ച് ആധാരം തൊട്ട് മേലേക്ക് അർപ്പിച്ച് തൊഴുതു നിവർന്ന് ഇടങ്കാൽ വലങ്കാലിനോട് ചേർത്ത് ശിരസ് നിവർത്തി കൈകൾ താഴ്ത്തി. സൂപ്പർ. Very good, very good. We got another achievement. What? You learned Malayalam. Okay, fine. This is called Kuridu Kairal, which means we are entering the Kadal. Now the next